The 1960s, the beginning of a new era. Technology opens up new dimensions. In 1966, Metabo also sets new benchmarks with the launch of the world's first angle grinder with an S automatic safety clutch. Since then, we have continually developed our angle grinders and have kept setting new standards. 2014. Time to get ready for the next level.
3, 2, 1, 0. We have ignition.
A new dimension of productivity. Our new compact angle grinders. Ultimate power. Maximum durability. Perfected ergonomics. No limits. The best marathon motor of all time. Increased armature diameter for up to 50% more torque. And unbeatable productivity. 30% more dust protection for longer service life. High-speed cooling for higher overload capacity. Airflow optimized grid for unparalleled dust protection. Reduced body circumference for low fatigue working. New field coil technology with 20% more copper provides 20% more power. Ultimate robustness. Ultimate durability. Avoids airflow obstruction by moving air vents to the back of the tool. Maximum performance with superior accessories. M-Caliber, the ceramic high-performance turbo for our angle grinders. The best choice for every application. The handy ones, the flexible ones, the workhorses, the power packs, the specialists, the productivity champions. Get ready for the next level.